friends, welcome you all to Think Maths. We are in class 10 Maths, chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry. In this session, we are going to discuss about example problems, example 3 and 4. So, example 3, an observer 1.5 meter tall is 28.5 meter away from a chimney. The angle of elevation of the top of the chimney from her eyes is 45 degree. What is the height of the chimney? So this figure is given here. AB is the chimney and CD is the observer. So what is given? An observer 1.5 meter tall. So CD height is 1.5 meter. So we have drawn a line BE just parallel to CD. So BE will also be 1.5 meter. So this is E and this is D. So CD is the observer. The same line is here. So BE will also be 1.5 meter. An observer 1.5 meter tall is 28.5 meter away from a chimney. So chimney base is here. This is the bottom. So from here the girl CD is observer. She is 28.5 meter away. So BC will be 28.5 meter. So distance between the bottom of the chimney and the observer is 28.5 meter. The same will be for D. So the line say D is just parallel to BC. So BC will be equal to D. Next, the angle of elevation of the top of the chimney. So top of the chimney is A. So angle of elevation of the top of the chimney, angle of elevation makes with the horizontal line. So angle ADE is the angle of elevation which is 45 degree. What is the height of the chimney? So height is AB. We have to find out the value of AB. So let us note down what are all given. So let me start the solution. What is given? An observer. So observer is CD. So CD equal to 1.5 which is equal to BE. So BE and CD are same height. So 1.5 meter. Next, an observer 1.5 meter tall is 28.5 meter away from a chimney. From the chimney to the observer, the distance is 28.5 meter. So BC will be equal to DE. So DE length and BC length are same. So BC equal to DE equal to 28.5 meter. Next, which is the angle of elevation? Angle of elevation is ADE. So angle ADE is nothing but angle of elevation. So angle of elevation is given as 45 degree. Now angle E is 90 degree. Because chimney stands straight, so angle E makes, that is AED, will be 90 degree. Now what we have to find? We have to find out height of the chimney. So which is the height of the chimney? AB. So we have to find AB. AB is nothing but AE plus EB. AB is nothing but AE plus EB. So AE, what is EB? EB or BE is nothing but 1.5 meter. So AE plus 1.5. So now what we have to find? We have to find out AE. So let us use the triangle ADE. So in this triangle ADE, AE is present. Okay. So we are going to use the right angle triangle ADE. So now from triangle ADE. So which ratio will match? What we need? We need AE. So what is given? DE. So let us mark the perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. So AE is the perpendicular and DE is the base and this is hypotenuse. Okay. So this is the height perpendicular and this is base and this is hypotenuse. What we know? We know Pandit, Badri, Prasad, Har, Bole. So this is a trick to remember the trigonometric ratios. So put your line here. So this is for sine, cos, tan. So we need AE. AE is perpendicular. We know DE. DE is the base. So now we have the relation between perpendicular and base. So which one it matches? Yes, it is tan. You are all smart. I think you found out. So tan matches the perpendicular and base. So we have to use the tan ratio. So tan, what is the angle of elevation? 45 degree. So tan 45 degree equal to perpendicular by base. So what is the perpendicular? AE. Base is DE. Tan 45 is 1. So you all should remember the trigonometric table to write the values of tan 45, sin 30, sin 60, those values. Okay children? So 1 is equal to, what is AE? We need to find out. What is DE? DE is 28.5. Just cross multiply. Here denominator, if it is nothing but 1. So cross multiply. 1 into AE is AE equal to 1 into 28.5, it is 28.5. So AE is equal to 28.5 meter. What we need? AB. AB is equal to AE plus 1.5. AE is 28.5 plus 1.5. Add the values. 28.5, 1.5, 5 plus 5, 10. Put a decimal. Balance 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So balance 1. 1 plus 2, 3. So it is equal to 30. 30.0. So 0 is not needed. So 30 meter. So AB is equal to 30 meter means AB is nothing but height of the chimney. So height of the chimney equal to 30 meter. So it is simple like, yeah. So you all understand this. I hope you can understand this problem. So moving on to the next example. Example 4. From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building is 30 degrees. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff from P is 45 degree. Find the length of the flagstaff and the distance of the building from the point P. Take root 3 is equal to 1.732. So what is given? From a point P on the ground. On the ground, there is a point P, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter building. So this is the building AB. So AB, we have to, just a minute. So this is B. So AB is the building. What is given? The angle of elevation of the top of a, so B is the top. So top of a building, angle of elevation is 30 degree. So angle BPA makes 30 degree. Now height of the building is 10 meter. That is AB is equal to 10 meter. So these are all given. Next, a flag is hoisted at the top of the building. From the top, from B, a flag is hoisted. So BD is the height of the flag. And the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff, which is D from P. So angle DPA is the angle of elevation for the flagstaff. So angle DPA makes 45 degree. Find the length of the flagstaff. That is, we have to find out DB and the distance of the building from the point P. So we have to find out also PA. Distance of the building from P, which is nothing but PE. Now let us write what are all given. Let me start the solution. So from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10 meter. So which is 10 meter? Building is 10 meter. So which is the building? Building is AB. So AB is equal to 10 meter. So angle of elevation is 30 degree. So this top of the building makes angle with the horizontal. So angle BPA will be 30 degree. So angle BPA is equal to angle of elevation. So this angle of elevation is with the building. This angle of elevation is given as 30 degree. Next, a flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff. For the flagstaff, the angle of elevation with the horizontal line is 45 degree. That is angle DPA equal to 45 degree. Angle DPA is equal to, this is the angle of elevation for flagstaff. And it is given as 45 degree. What we need to find? Find the length of the flagstaff, which is the flagstaff BD. So BD length. We have to find out the length of BD. So we have to find out BD and the distance of the building from the point P. So where is the building? Building is at A. From the point P, we have to find out PA. So these two things we have to find out. Now we have two right angles. Two right angles, which are they? BPA. So angle A makes 90 degree here. So building starts straight and flag starts straight. So angle A makes 90 degree. So we have angle A is equal to 90 degree. So we have two right angles. So one right angle is from triangle BPA. So this right angle, what we have? Angle BPA is equal to 30 degree and we know AB. AB is 10 meter. What we need to find? We have to find PA. So let us write the perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. So this is the perpendicular and this is base, and as this is 90 degree, opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. In the same way, for the triangle DPA, and this is the perpendicular, this will become, which is the base. So this is the hypotenuse. The base will be same for both. Okay, children. Now, for this triangle. So let me draw the triangle in small. First, let us take the triangle BPA. So, BPA. So, this is the perpendicular and this is the base and this is hypotenuse. This makes 30 degree. Okay. Now, we know PA. PA is 10 meter. So, we have to find, not PA, I'm sorry. Height of the building. Height of the building is 10 meter. We have to find out PE. That is distance of the building from the point P. We have to find out PE. So the relation is between base and perpendicular. What we know? Pandit, Badri, Prasad, Har, Bol. This is the trick. So write sine, cos, tan. So who matches for perpendicular and base? Yes, you are all right. Tan. Tan matches for perpendicular and base. So let us start the problem. So it is tan. What is the degree? Angle of elevation with the building is 30 degree. So tan 30. So tan 30 is equal to perpendicular by base, which is the perpendicular AB. AB by PA. So what is AB? AB is 10 meter. We have to find out PA. What is tan 30 degree? It is 1 by root 3. Just cross multiply. We have 1 by root 3 is equal to 10 by PA. Cross multiply. 1 into PA is PA. PA is equal to 10 into root 3. It is 10 root 3 meter. So PA is equal to 10 root 3 meter. What is PA? It is nothing but distance of the building from the point P. So this we found out. Next we have to find the length of the flag staff. What we need to find? We need to find dB. Okay. We will do it in the next page. Okay children. So far we found PA is equal to 10 root 3. So PA is nothing but distance of the building from the point P. So we found that. Now we have to find out the length of the flagstaff. So this part is over, distance of the building. Now we have to find out the length of the flagstaff. So for that we are going to use the big triangle DPA. So because DB is present here, we cannot use this triangle. We have to use the right angle triangle to follow the trigonometric ratio. So we are going to use the triangle DPA. So triangle DPA. So this is point P, D and A. Angle A is 90 degree. So angle of elevation from the flagstaff is 45 degree. Now we have PA. So PA we found out it is 10 root 3. So this DA or AD is divided by B. So AB is the building. What is the length of the building? So building height is 10 meter. So AB is equal to 10 meter. Now we have to find out DB. So we are going to use the full length AD. So what is AD? From triangle DPA, AD. AD is nothing but AB plus BD. So AB is 10. BD we need to find out. So which ratio can we use here? Angle P is 45 degree and this AD is the perpendicular. Opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse and AP is the base. We know the base. We have to find out DB. So DB lies in the perpendicular point. Okay. So perpendicular side DB lies. So the relationship is between perpendicular and base. Who matches? This is Pandit, Badri, Prasad, Har, Boli. So perpendicular by base is for tan. T stands for tan. So tan is equal to perpendicular by base. So we are going to use the tan ratio. So tan 45 degrees equal to perpendicular by base. What is tan 45? It is 1. So 1 is equal to perpendicular is nothing but DA. So DA or AD. So let me use AD. So AD by which is the base? Base is nothing but PA. So 1 is equal to AD can be written as 10 plus BD. 10 plus BD divided by what is PA? It is 10 root 3. So just cross multiply. 1 is nothing but 1 by 1. So cross multiplying 1 into anything is the same number. So 1 into 10 plus BD is 10 plus BD equal to 1 into 10 root 3. It is 10 root 3. So we need BD which is equal to 10 root 3 plus 10 will become minus 10. So both we have 10 as common. Keep that 10 outside. So remaining we have root 3 minus 1. What is root 3? Root 3 is given as 1.732. So BD will be equal to 10 into 1.732 minus 1. So what is 1.732 minus 1? 1 is nothing but 1.000. So if we subtract 2 minus 0, 2, 3 minus 0, 3, 7 minus 0, 7, 1 minus 1, 0. So it is 10 into 0.732. So if you multiply by tens, you have to put one 0 here. So if you multiply this number by 10, it will become 7320. So how the decimal point is before 3 numbers 1, 2, 3. So put the decimal point before 3 numbers 1, 2, 3. It is here. So it is 7.32. After decimal 0 is not needed. So BD is equal to 7.32. So which we need to find out. So we found PA as well as BD. What is BD? This is the length of the flagstaff. So we can write length of the flagstaff, FLAG. Flagstaff equal to 7.32 meter. We found PA. What is PA? Distance of the building from the point P. So, distance of the building from the point P is equal to, what is PA? It is 10 root 3. So, what is root 3? It is 1.732. So, let me erase this. So, instead of root 3, you can put 10 into 1.732. So, if you put one 0 here, it will be 1. So, put 1.01732. So, how many numbers are there? After decimal, it is 3 numbers. So, 1, 2, 3. So, it is 17.32. So, 17.32 meter. So, length of the flagstaff equal to 7.32 meter. Distance of the building from the point P is 17.32 meter. So, if the value of root 3 is given, you have to substitute the value of root 3 and write the answer. Okay, children? I hope you can understand this example. I hope you can understand the way I am teaching. If you are not able to understand, just give me a suggestion in your comment. Okay, children? So, I hope you are all very smart and you will be supporting my channel by subscribing and like and share. Okay, children? Bye-bye.